Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to recover a Google account in the USA. If you've forgotten your password, lost access, or your account was hacked, this full guide for 2026 will help you get back in safely and quickly. First, open your browser and go to the Google account recovery page. This is the official page where you can start the recovery process. Type the email address or phone number associated with your account. Make sure it's correct. Otherwise, recovery won't work. If you remember an old password, enter it. Even if it's not the current one, Google uses it to verify your identity. If prompted, Google will send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number. Enter the code carefully to verify that it's really you. Next, answer any security questions you set up previously. This might include birth date or other account-specific info. These steps are important to confirm your identity. If you still have access to a device where you were previously signed in, Google may ask to verify through it. Just follow the prompts to approve the login. Once verified, create a new strong password. Make sure it's unique, at least 8 characters, and includes letters, numbers, and symbols. After resetting the password, sign into your Google account. Check connected devices, recovery info, and enable two-step verification to keep your account secure. For US users, it's recommended to keep recovery email and phone updated. Also, enable two-step verification and regularly review security settings to prevent future issues. And that's how to recover a Google account in the USA in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.